Okay, update. I'm here right now in the dentist office. They're going to pull my wisdom tooth and another one on the top also. So that's all I can say right now, guys, and I will let you know later. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Maglinis muna ako, mama. Okay. Okay, good. So, ma-feel mo lang na parang may butas pa siya, no? Okay. That's going to close mga 1 month pa. Pero at least ngayon po, wala naman, okay na. It's healed na. Totally healed na. Tapos nagtanggal na yung ano, yung mga tahi mo, wala na. Tanggal na. So, you're okay. Sige. So, you're feeling lang na parang may butas, no?
Okay.
But that's okay. That's going to close up 1 month.
That's it?
And then you're good. Okay ka na.
Alright.